I remember you. How could I forget you? You're the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
You should take a look at your own reflection. I see rainbows reaching skyward. I've seen the clouds and they come you. I thought I knew what beautiful was, but now I see you. And though I've seen the willows weeping branches, the misty morning air, a clear starry night, there's nothing to compare.
There's nothing to compare with you. And you knew? You knew I was a swan?
Of course I do. That's why I came along with us. If only your wings had been strong enough. Well, now you can come with us and learn our ways.
And my mother, can she come too?
Of course I can. I'm just a baggy old duck. I can't teach you the ways of a swan.
But you taught me to swim.
And from what I remember, that nearly finished me off. Fancy, really, me teaching a swan to swim.
But I want you to come.
I know you do, but my place is back with your father at the duckyard. Bless him. And they say birds of a feather should flock together. And I know someone rather keen that you go with them.
But I've only just found you. I'm not so sure I want to leave you again so soon.
Of course you do. Now